In today's video, I'll show you how to export an SRT file from Descript so your subtitles are ready to use on any video platform. Start by opening your project in Descript. Before exporting, make sure your transcript is fully finalized. Review the text carefully, correct any spelling or punctuation errors, and confirm that speaker labels are accurate if your project includes multiple speakers. Once everything looks good, go to the top menu and click on Export. This will open the export window with multiple format options. Inside the export window, switch to the Subtitles section. From the available formats, select SRT. This is the most widely supported subtitle format and works well with platforms like YouTube and Vimeo. Before exporting, review the subtitle settings. You can choose whether to include speaker labels, adjust the maximum characters per line, and set how many lines appear at once to keep subtitles easy to read. After confirming your settings, click Export. Choose where you want to save the file, and Descript will download your subtitles as an SRT file. That's it. You've successfully exported an SRT file from Descript and your subtitles are now ready to upload or share. Thanks for watching and happy subtitling.